Hi, I'm Kirly-Sue, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to my vegan food and lifestyle channel. I've had lots of questions from parents saying they want to continue with their child's vegan diet whilst they're at school, they're starting school or nursery or daycare, and they're not quite sure how to approach it. So here are some tips that should help you with this. Not really a major challenge, but it's ensuring that the school or nursery understands clearly what your expectations are for your child. So keep watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click and subscribe. Eat good, eat clean, eat blessed. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. See you next time.